Hi everyone, welcome. In this short video, I'll show you how I assemble the electronic board for my Bedini setup. This is what the board looks like before any initial adjustment or testing. I used a CNC machine to cut a 6mm thick phenolic base for the circuit board. Then, using a special tool, I tapped M3 threads for mounting the transistors. After that, I glued the board to the base using super glue. It's very important to degrease all bonding surfaces with technical alcohol first. To avoid gluing everything to the workbench by accident, I simply put some baking paper on the table. Superglue works instantly and doesn't forgive mistakes, so accuracy really matters here. Before installing the MOSFET into its final position, it needs a small modification. The middle pin, the drain, has to be removed. While soldering the SMD components, the camera was getting in the way, so I didn't record the entire soldering process. Now let's test the assembled board using a lab power supply and some custom test leads with an inline LED for easy visual control. I'm checking each channel of the future Bedini setup one by one. As a bonus, this test is also a good way to practice some Morse code. In his Bedini setup, I'm using transistors with a relatively low working voltage, only 68 volts. That's why there's no need for neon lamps here. Most neon bulbs require around 100 to 150 volts, which is higher than the transistor rating. Some people will say the transistors won't survive high voltage. If I have the time, I'll explain later why this setup actually works very well. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and good luck!